It's Monday, fresh start. Ang tanong, ready ka na ba ulit bumawi ngayong week? Alam mo, every Monday is like a reset button. Hindi mahalaga kung ilang beses kang nadapa last week. Ang mahalaga, bumangon ka ngayon. Start small, stay consistent, at huwag matakot sumubok ulit. Every big wins start with a small daily actions. Kaya huwag kang mawala ng tiwala sa sarili mo. Believe in yourself and trust yourself. Remember, today is a chance to create a better version of yourself. Kaya comment ka na, I'm ready, kung sisimulan mo ng panalo ang linggo na to. At ito si Mr. Jean ang nagpapaalala sa iyo, always put God first, God bless, at mag-iingat ka palagi. Okay ba yon?